Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Chase mobile. For that you need to open your Chase app, and now what you need to do is tap on sign in button. Now you'll need to tap on forgot username or password, and here you'll have to enter your social security or tax ID, and here you'll need to add your SSN or your TIN, or you can also add your account card number, and then you will receive one-time code. They will send you a verification code through your, and then Chase will send you verification code through your SMS or email to your registered device. And after you enter that verification code, you will need to enter you'll get to enter a new password and enter that again to confirm that, and that is how you can reset your password. And after resetting, or let's just say creating new password, go to your sign in page, and there you'll need to sign in back, and that is how you can recover your Chase mobile, and that is how you can recover your Chase mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.